Wow, it's so crowded here. I didn't expect this many people.
Yeah, me neither. Come on, let's hurry up. Our train leaves in 15 minutes.
Do you have the tickets with you?
Of course. I put them in my wallet. Let me check. Yes, here they are.
Good. We need to find platform 6. Where is it?
Let me check the signs. Ah, there. Platform 6 is this way. Follow me.
Slow down, John. I can't walk that fast with this suitcase.
I know, but if we don't hurry, we'll miss the train.
Okay. Just a little slower, please.
Look, there it is. Come on, let's get on board quickly.
Wait, which carriage are we in?
It says Carriage B, seats 12A and 12B.
All right, let's go. Wow, it's so packed inside. Everyone looks like they're ready for a long trip.
Yeah, but luckily we have reserved seats.
Here we are, row 12. Oh, wait a second.
What's wrong?
Someone is sitting in our seats.
What? Are you sure?
Look at the numbers, John. These are seats 12A and 12B, and they're already taken.
Excuse me, I think these are our seats. Our tickets say 12A and 12B.
Really? Well, our tickets say the exact same thing.
Wait, how is that possible?
Maybe there was a mistake with the booking.
All right, let's check. Can I see your tickets, please?
Here they are. See? Carriage B, seats 12A and 12B.
Oh no, it's exactly the same as ours.
John, what do we do now? The train is leaving any minute.
Don't worry, let's talk to the conductor. There has to be a solution. Excuse me, sir, we have a problem here.
What's going on?
We both have tickets for the same seats. Look, Carriage B, 12A, and 12B.
That's strange. Let me check the system.
I told you we should have double-checked the tickets yesterday.
I know, but I trusted the travel agent.
Ah, here we go. It seems there was a mistake made by the booking office. 2 sets of tickets were issued for the same seats.
So what happens now?
Don't worry, I'll find you another pair of seats. Please wait here for a moment.
This is unbelievable. We're always so unlucky when we travel.
Hey, it's not that bad. At least we're on the train, and we'll still make it to our destination.
I guess you're right, but I just wanted everything to go smoothly for once.
Good news! I found 2 empty seats in Carriage D, seats 15C and 15D. That's great. Thank you so much.
Ah, thank goodness. Let's go before someone else takes them.
Well, that was an adventure.
Let's just hope there are no more surprises on this trip. When traveling, especially by train or bus, there are some common English words and expressions you need to understand. These words will help you ask questions, solve problems, and communicate clearly during your journey. Here are 10 key words and phrases from our train station story. Crowded. A place full of people, very busy. Example. The train station is always crowded during the holidays. Platform. The area where you wait and get on the train. Example. Our train leaves from platform 6. Reserved seat. A seat that is booked and saved for someone in advance. Example. We have reserved seats, so we don't need to worry about finding a place to sit. Ticket. A piece of paper or digital pass you buy to travel on a train, bus, or plane. Example. Can I see your train ticket, please? Mistake. An error or something done wrong. Example. There was a mistake with the booking, and 2 people got the same seats. Luggage. Bags or suitcases that you take when traveling. Example. We have too much luggage for this trip. Conductor. A person who checks tickets and helps passengers on a train. Example, the conductor asked to see our tickets. Solution, the answer to a problem or issue. Example, we need to find a solution before the train leaves. Unbelievable, something that is very surprising or hard to believe. Example, it's unbelievable that this happened on our first trip together. Destination, the place you are traveling to. Example, our destination is Paris. Remember, to improve your English, listen to this conversation and repeat it 3 to 5 times a day. Do this every week, keep practicing, and you will see real progress.